And how are you guys? I hope everyone is doing absolutely amazing. A Merry Christmas to all of you and wish you a very Happy New Year in advance. And obviously, guys, today we are here for this amazing session, which is called Rank Booster One Shot Revision. This topic would be today that will be targeted as continuity and differentiability. So, guys, this chapter is one of the most important topics in JEE Mains and Advanced, and we have to obviously have a strong hold over this topic. So, guys, what we are going to do today is obviously, first of all, quickly go through the concepts via the problems, right? So, that is always the best tactic to revise, and that's what I would be using here. In my revision series, we'll be always solving the amazing problems of mains and advanced previous years, and obviously, guys, some amazing problems related to the topics in this amazing revision course. Hi, Hoodie, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well. Hello, guys. So, without wasting any time, let's go ahead. So myself, Abhinav Jha, BTech NIT Nagpur, and obviously, guys, I have around 4 years of teaching experience now. Have mentored quite a few top ranks in JEE Mains and Advanced in the past. Also, I hold an All India rank of 698 in GATE. So, guys, obviously, everyone at this point of time is looking at a wonderful online platform where you can come and obviously guys take amazing classes on the platform. So what better than an academy, guys? It is providing you the country's best of the faculties, and obviously guys you are getting them at a minimal uh, price, you can say, on the Unacademy Plus platform, guys. So obviously, first of all, we have the amazing educators on top of it. Hello, hi Priyabrat, how are you? So guys, you'll be getting live polls, leaderboard, test series analysis, and doubt clearing sessions, and some amazing features of the Plus. Okay, so guys, what you need to do is you have to install the app first. That is going to be very important. As soon as you install the app, you can click on the IDJ section in the goals, and then you can click on get subscription to go ahead. Okay, so you will be redirected to this page called AJ Live. Here you can put up the code of AJ Live in the obviously the promo code, and obviously here you will be getting the current prices as such, right? So the prices would be 25.2, 34.6, and 50.4 respectively. The iconic would cost you around 34.2, 58.5, and 90,000 respectively. Then you'll have 2 to 3k per month that will be costing you the plus subscription. And also, guys, you, if you want, you can take the iconic, fantastic iconic subscription, guys, that will give you the personal coach. It will be having lots of workshops, study planner, expert guidance, and test analysis on the platform. Okay, hello guys. So also all of you must be really excited, right? The Manzil batch is being launched, and guys, it's going to be a very important thing. The Manzil batch is obviously starting from 24th of December. It is already launched, guys. So come on, grab your opportunities and get on with this amazing thing. Also, guys, you'll be having JEE 2.0 rank booster program that is also starting 24th of December. So, guys, all of you, if you have not enrolled, enroll now using the amazing code of AJ Live. Okay. Great. Also, you can see here the upcoming batches are these, right? We have amazing faculties who will be taking your two batches that already been started on 21st, the Spark and the MCQ batch. Also, you can join the amazing Telegram channel here. You will be getting the updates of my classes. My also code you can use is nothing but Abhinav SC. Also, the special classes are these, guys, and do not forget tomorrow at 8 p.m. on the Unacademy's learning app, we are going to do one amazing mega quiz on definite integral. So if you guys are interested, you can come and address here, and guys, that will be great. You can come over here and enjoy the amazing topic of definite integrals. Tomorrow 8 p.m. guys. These are the timings. You can have a note of it. Moreover, JEE English timing is this now, guys. As I've launched this amazing one-shot revision courses every day from Monday, you will be getting, guys, one-shot amazing revision, right? So that's, guys, it's going to be mark your timing 5:30 p.m. Come here, enjoy, and guys, do well. Okay, so everyone, stay tuned from on this platform of JEE English. I'm going to come, and guys, we will be revising a lot of concepts on this platform. Moreover, Mathemagicians channel also I'm teaching in Hindi if you want to come and learn from me. So guys, this is the channel which you can come, that is called as Mathemagicians. Also, integral calculus starting, it's already started, guys. This course on 25th of November. So, guys, without wasting any time, you have to grab the opportunity of obviously, guys, winning lots of rewards and prizes. So you can obviously, guys, come along to Unacademy Combat using the code of AJ Live. Also, the revision series is obviously running. So this is, guys, a very, very important thing. So all of you guys, please do not forget, these are the timings and you have to be regular. Also, my courses would be coming on the Plus platform again and again, guys, for you, and it'll be great so to see you over there. So next course is going to be on algebra. In this, I'm going to cover 6 topics, guys. Okay, PNC, probability, permutation, combination, complex numbers, quadratic equations, sequence series, complex numbers. A lot of amazing topics, guys. Even binomial theorem will be there. So 6 topics, guys, as I mentioned, would be there on this amazing platform of Plus. So always stay tuned to that if you have the subscription. Also, if you don't have, guys, this is the time. Get on with it. Okay. Done. Let's start this amazing session on continuity and differentiability, guys. First, question coming up, guys, in our screen. This is the question. We have to find out what is this value of f of 0 so that the function is continuous at x equals to 0. So, guys, what is the logic behind it? The logic says that if a function is continuous, I'll just always go through the concepts in the hand side. So, guys, if you see here, if a function is continuous, right? If a function is continuous, so what do we say? We say that, guys, limit extending to a f of x, the limit value should be equal to f of a, right? Amazing. And this comprises of what? Both the LHL as well as the RHL, right? So both obviously go hand in hand, because obviously for limit to exist, your LHL should be equal to RHL, right? And that in turn should be equal to f of a. Then you say that the function is absolutely continuous, right, everyone? Such an easy concept. So here indirectly what they are asking is what is f of 0 such that the function is continuous. Matlab, the thing is we have to calculate limit x tending to 0 of f of x. That will be nothing but my f of 0, right? Isn't it? Yes, the limit should be equal to f of 0, right? Chalo. So guys, let's calculate the limit. It's not that difficult, as you can see from here. You have many ways of doing this limit. So I'll go by the easiest method possible, right? So 1 plus, we have x by a, and minus, very good. I think so Shivani has got the answer. Fantastic, Shivani. How are you? Okay. So guys, 1 log of 1 minus x by b divided by what? Divided by, we have x. All of you can see here that, guys, isn't it 0 by 0 form? Yes or no? It's a 0 by 0 form. If we put x equals to 0, this will be log 1, which is 0 minus 0 upon x. Okay, very good evening, Shivani. So guys, what we can do is we can apply an hospital or not. I'm absolutely fine. Okay, chalo guys. So can I do L hospital, everyone? Yes, we can. So we will apply limit x tending to 0. We will differentiate the upper part. Okay, so when you differentiate this thing, what are we going to get, guys? 1 upon something into differentiation of that thing. What will be that? 1 by a minus this differentiation will be what? 1 upon 1 minus x by b into minus of 1 by b, right? I just did what? Differentiation, my dear students, and I applied L hospital rule. Now denominator I will differentiate, I'll get 1, obviously. Great. So now in the 0 by 0 form is pretty much removed. You can all see. So you can put x as 0 directly. Whenever the 0 by 0 form is removed, my dear students, what you can do is you can put x as directly 0. So you will get here, this will be 0 and this will be also 0. Got it? Okay. So now, guys, what will happen is the limit will be nothing but 1 by a minus plus 1 by b. So which will be nothing but what, guys? If you take the LCM as ab, we will get a plus b upon ab. That is the answer. Such an easy method, guys. And this question has been asked, I think so, in the past in the J, right? So give this kind of questions you can definitely get. So it's a pretty easy one. And you have to understand that f of 0 should be equal to the limit value. That's it. Okay. Chalo, guys. Let's move ahead now. Okay, so this is also a same pattern question. So this is also on the same pattern. Okay, option D, guys, is nothing but 1 by 4. Okay, if you are not able to see, this is nothing but option D is 1 by 4. Come on, everyone. Let's see how many of you can do it. I'm giving you some time. Come on. Hello, everyone. Very good evening. and welcome to this amazing platform of Unacademy JEE English. So we'll be doing today, guys, revision of your continuity and differentiability, guys. This is a very important topic, and as I promised you guys, that we have to do these topics very thoroughly, so that guys we will not have any issues whatsoever related to this chapter. So I would request everyone to be regular, है ना? आज के बाद your timing should be fixed. You should never miss out. And I'm telling you guys, at least 5 days in a week I'll be there, right from Monday to Saturday. 5 days in a week. Okay, the classes would be there. Okay, and it will be timing will be 5:30 except Wednesday. Okay, except Wednesday and Sunday, we'll have one shot revisions. Okay, we'll have back to back one shot revisions on this amazing platform, everyone. Okay, so please note it, 5:30 p.m. 5 days in a week except Wednesday and Sunday. We'll target calculus. We'll target limits, continuity, differentiability, differentiation, application of derivatives, definite, indefinite integration. So first I am focusing on the calculus part. We'll complete the whole calculus thoroughly, and then guys we will move on to most probably the most important topic after that, maybe conic sections, right? One shot revisions of that. So guys, it will be continuously going on throughout the month of January. So full January, guys, we will be doing one shot revisions. Let's make it a habit of coming here regularly, right? Full January, this one shot revisions will go on, and guys, it will be absolutely amazing. Okay, so guys, this may be nothing, same as the last one. We have to calculate limit x tending to pi by 4, right? 1 minus root 2 sin x divided by pi minus 4x. This is nothing but going to be my a, because your limit will be equal to f of pi by 4, right? Which is nothing but what? F of pi by 4, right? At x equals to pi by 4, we have function value as a. So for limit to exist, our functional value should be equal to a. Hello, very good, Bindas. How are you? Okay, guys. So I think so it's a pretty easy question, guys. Straightforward question. Any doubt, anyone? And now we can put here pi by 4 and check. Is it 0 by 0 form, guys? Yes, it is. So let's use L hospital blindly. Okay. So limit x tending to pi by 4. You can obviously differentiate. You will get what, guys? 1 ka 0 minus root 2 cos x divided by minus 4. That's it. Now you can put the pi by 4 directly, my dear friends. है ना? जब भी 0 by 0 form is removed, you can put this pi by 4 directly. So root 2, this will be what, guys? Minus minus cancel, root 2 by 4 into cos pi by 4, which is 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancels. The answer is 1 by 4. Okay, everyone watching, guys, be regular. The timing is 5:30. What is the timing, guys? 5:30, 5 days in a week except Wednesday and Sunday. For one shot revisions from now on, full January, one shot revisions every day, full revision on the cards. Okay, guys, so please be regular, don't miss out. Okay, this is also a very simple problem, guys, on the very basic problem here. So the points of discontinuities of this 1 upon log mod x function. What will be the discontinuity point of 1 by log mod x? Where would be this point be discontinuous, guys? Where can you see that this point getting discontinuous? Okay. Okay, fantastic, Geeta. I think so your answer is absolutely correct. Everyone watching, guys, please do hit a like for our team who are working hard for you guys to amazingly present this amazing PPT in front of you. And obviously, guys, a lot of technicalities going behind this, so they'll be very encouraged. Fantastic, everyone. Very nice. Good to see that good questions, good answers coming up. So, guys, 1 upon log mod x. What do you mean by log mod x? Guys, see here, discontinuous means it breaks. The graph breaks. What happens is, this means the graph. What do you mean by breaks? Break means not defined. Okay? That's the literal meaning of being discontinuous. Limit came after that. Basic concept is what? Of discontinuity. Okay. Basic concept is what of discontinuity? Tell me. The basic concept is that it should not break. Okay. So what will happen, guys? It's a rational function. Okay. 1 by log x. Okay. 1 by log x, right? So guys, if you look into this point, what we can do is, yes, I'll draw the graph with us. Don't worry, I'll draw that. Yes. So guys, obviously here you can see here that it is a rational function 1 by something. So we should say that log mod x should not be 0, right? So when is log mod x not 0? Log x graph everyone knows, right? It's like this. When is it is 0? When your x is 1, right? So here mod x should not be 1. Your mod x cannot be 1, right? Mod x cannot be 1. So therefore guys, x cannot be plus minus 1. Okay, यहाँ से we got this logic, very simple. Moreover guys, log 0 is obviously not defined. Is log 0 defined? No. Log 0 is undefined. Okay, so therefore x can't be 0 as well. So x can't be 0, plus 1 and minus 1. 0 is not in the domain. Okay, so one student was asking, sir, log ka graph, what will be the graph of this log? Okay, so that's a good question. Let's see how we can do it, guys. See here. So let's at the moment take it as, first let's draw log 1 by log mod x. Sorry, 1 by log x, okay? And then from there we will move ahead with 1 by log mod x. Fine? Okay. So guys, if you look into this, first 1 by log x base e. Can I write it as 1 by log? This can be written as what? Log base. We can say here 1 by log x, right? So you can see here that obviously in this our x equals to 1. It is a positive graph, right, Bindas Badshah? It will be a graph defined for x greater than 0, right? Okay. Now the thing is, when you put x as very very small, okay, when you put x as very very small, what will happen? And x ko put it very small. What is log of 0.000001? Is, doesn't it tends to minus infinity? Remember I've told you this. That's why the graph of log x starts from here, right? It starts from a very lower position. So what will happen to that? Can I say that 1 by log 0.00001 will be what? Tell me. It will become what? It will become 1 by minus infinity, that will tend to 0, right? So the graph will start just very very negative 0. It will start, okay? When you put x as very very small like this, it will go like this, okay? Then it will obviously keep on increasing. The graph will keep on increasing, right? Geeta, see, log 0 exactly is not defined. You can easily understand that log 0 is not defined. Why, Geeta? See here. Let's suppose if I keep log base e of 0, let's suppose that is some y. Okay. So tell me 0 equals to e power y. Can you get me any y? Can you get me any y which will make it 0? Never. E power x graph is always positive, right? So that's why we say log 0 is not defined. There's a difference between not defined and infinity. There's a huge difference between log 0 and, see, that's why it is not defined. Got it, Geeta? Acha, now if you talk about log base e 0.00001, that is what you can put it as y. So we'll get what? 0.00001 is e power y. Now you will say that, okay, y can be tending to minus infinity. Understood? So that's the reason why this is minus infinity. That's why the graph of log x starts from here. When your x is 0.00001, y is minus infinity. Okay, that's the reason why. Okay. So guys, if you can see here, it will be not defined at 0. It will be not defined at 1. 1 maybe also it will be not defined. Okay, right? That's it. And after this, guys, what will happen if you talk about? Are you able to understand this one? Bindas Badshah, hai na? What will be log infinity? Like log infinity is tending toward infinity, so that will again tends to 0. Okay. So what will happen? Log infinity will be what? Again tending towards 0, but that to positive 0. Are you getting it? So it will go up. It will be like this. Right? It will be, obviously you can join these points. Then it will go up, right? So it can be negative and positive both at the same time. Right? From 0 to 1, it will be, I think so, negative, and then after that it will become positive. The graph might be like this. Okay, it can be like this. Okay, I'll just show you through Desmos. Let's see the Desmos. You'll get the exact graph. 1 second. Let me go through that. Okay, so we want 1 by ln x. Okay, so you can see here, I'll show you directly here. Okay, so you see here, that's why it came down here, right? It's going down and down and down and down, right? Because it will start from here, right? At 0, it will be what? Exactly not defined. See here, this is not defined at 0. It's just smoothing up. And then after that, it will again come down, right? At infinity also it is coming as positive. Yes. But now if you put mod, what will happen? See, when you put mod, so negative x will be what, guys? Same as that, right? So say mod when you put on x, so the graph will what? Reflect in the left hand side. Okay, so that's what we can see here. That if you put here mod, so it will change a lot. The graph will change a lot. Okay, so that this will be 1 second 1 by ln mod x. Okay, and put here 1. And you can also try for 1 by ln minus x. We can put, no issues. So it will be what? Conglomeration of both. Okay, so it will be only the left hand part and right hand part. Okay, guys, chalo. We cannot do that. Obviously, that will be wrong. Just for our understanding purpose, we can go for that. Okay, guys, chalo. Next, let's go for the next problem, everyone. Come on, guys. So the function is going from here to here, and we want this value x upon 3 upon x plus 1. So this is limit extending to 0. We have to calculate, right? They are saying from minus 2 to 2, it is continuous everywhere. Almost all the graphs are continuous everywhere, but they break at a critical point. Everyone breaks at a critical point. Good evening, Roshan. How are you? You know, every graph breaks at a very critical point, so we have to understand what's that critical point. So guys, where will you check? Already see the graph is breaking as 0, so we will be smart enough to obviously, guys, calculate the limit x tending to 0 minus f of x. I'm also absolutely fine. We have to calculate, guys, LHL equal to RHL, right? This will be the LHL part, this will be the RHL part, right? So here you have to, so some questions you have to equate LHL RHL, some questions you have to equate LHL RHL to the function value, right? So all of the questions would be done like that. Okay. So guys, let's calculate the RHL. Shall we calculate the RHL, guys? We can do it in many methods actually. So let's see limit. So what will be the RHL? RHL is pretty easy. Limit x tending to 0 plus x plus 3 upon x plus 1. Okay. So guys, you can put 0 directly, na? Because it is okay. That's great. So it's best platform for you, right? So obviously, guys, we can put 0 directly because obviously it is not a 0 by 0 form. Now you can calculate limit x tending to 0, root of 1 plus cx. Okay, can I write it as, guys, 1 plus cx power half minus 1 minus cx power half, right? Divided by x. Isn't it, everyone? Yes. So guys, all of you would have differentiated. Many of you would have differentiated. Yes. So guys, I'll give you very easy method. See guys, we can write 1 plus x to the power as 1 plus nx. Simple. When your x is very, very small. Obviously, when x is tending to 0, you can use this logic. So guys, the upper part will become 1 plus cx by 2 and minus 1 minus cx by 2. Are you getting the point, everyone? No need to differentiate also. You can use binomial theorem approximation to do these kind of questions also pretty quickly. 1 will cancel. We'll get cx by 2 plus cx by 2. That will be what? Cx upon x. X cancel. C, that is equal to 3. LHL equal to RHL. Yes, that's it. Simple. That's great. Okay, guys. So you can differentiate also. You'll get the same answer. You can use binomial theorem also. You'll get the same answer. Okay. Chalo. Next. Let's do some good ones today. So, okay, so here what they have said is f of x is p plus q power 1 by x. These kind of questions they're asking very frequently nowadays. F of 0 is 1. This graph is left continuous, they are saying. Left continuous, guys, means your LHL will be equal to f of a. They don't consider the RHL. That is the meaning of left continuous. Okay, if you guys don't know that, please make a note of it. And I have told you guys, this is how we're going to revise. From the questions, we'll go to the concepts. So this is called as, guys, implies it is left continuous. Okay, and if your RHL is equal to f of a, this is called as what, guys? Right continuous. Okay, so please keep this in mind. Sometimes they can obviously ask you the questions based on this as well. Come on, guys, quickly. Let's see how many of you can get this one. Come on. F of x is p plus q power 1 by x upon r plus s power 1 by x. So f of 0 is 1. They have given that. So it is left continuous. No, no, no. It's only on the q, right? It is p plus q power 1 by x divided by r plus s power 1 by x. Only on that, not on the whole. Very good, Geeta. This is not that difficult question, guys. Come on, think about it. Left continuous. That's the word which is important here. Left continuous. Come on, guys. Shivan is also saying B. Chalo, guys, let's see. Okay, Roshan is also saying B. See, guys, left continuous means we have to calculate LHL limit x tending to 0 minus P plus Q R plus S power 1 by x. 1 by x. Okay? कोई बात नहीं. Let's put, see, guys, this is not 0 by 0 form by any stretch of imagination, is it? No. So just put and check na kya ho raha hai. Just see what is happening na. This is how you solve limit problems. Just see what is actually happening here. Yes. Right. So guys, it is what's here. Can I say here that that is nothing but coming out as minus 0.000001, and this will be what, guys? R plus S power minus 1.000001. Okay. And what is this value, guys? I've already told you 1.00001 will be what? Tending to infinity. है ना, ये minus infinity tend कर रहा है, right everyone? Minus plus does not matter actually. So can I say, guys, it is actually P plus Q power minus infinity divided by R plus S power minus infinity. Isn't it, Bindas Badsha? Yes. So guys, see here, what they have mentioned is that obviously this values are given here, right? So guys, any number which is obviously more than 1, right? So what is happening here? Yes. So here what we get is, guys, can I say this will tend to 0? This whole thing will tend to 0, right everyone? Are you guys getting the point? What they've asked is, then what we can say is P equal to R or P equal to Q or P equal to S. What is that? What is that coming out as? Tell me. Are you guys getting the point? Yes. So guys, the power was minus infinity, right? Yes. So guys, can I say this whole thing will tend to 0? Are you getting the point, everyone? Any number which is less than 1, power infinity will be what? Can I say this will tend to 0? And this will also tend to 0. So what are we going to get, guys? Can I say this will be P by R only? And that is given as 1, so we'll get P equals to R. Simple. Right, everyone? Got it? Chalo. Okay, this is how we can do it. Now this one is a very good question. Let's see how many of you can do this one. Try this one, guys. Hello, guys. Was there any issue? Yeah, I think so. It's fine now. I think there was some issue in the connection. Yeah, I think so. It's fine now. Okay. Can you hear me, everyone? Okay. Try this one, guys. Okay, okay. Chalo, chalo. Let's see. Try this one, everyone. Bindas, you understood that problem? Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Sorry, guys. There were some issues. Now this one. Try it, everyone. Okay, okay. So you didn't understand that part. Okay, guys. You everyone try this one. We'll understand this thing. P, see, guys. It was P plus Q upon R plus S, right? So this is, see here, it is obviously we wanted to calculate in this question, Bindas. Limit left continuous at 0, right? So we have to calculate this as 0 minus, right? We'll put it here. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Got it? Bindas, see here, what we have is this value is obviously going to be, what they have mentioned is S is greater than 1 and Q is greater than 1, right? S and Q are more greater than 1. Okay, so this will be what? Obviously 1 power minus infinity, right? Tending to 1, right? Approximate 1, right? So that will be what? Any decimal power infinity will obviously, what is very close value power infinity? Tell me. Very close to 1, very close to 1, approximately 1 power infinity. Okay. Okay. Let's suppose you have 0.99999 power infinity. What will be that? 0.9 into 0.9 into 0.9 infinite times. That will be 0, right? That's fine. Okay, guys. Anyone who got this? See, guys, actually, if the question, okay, have they mentioned greater than 1? Okay, okay, that is actually something wrong then. Okay, okay, that should be actually less than 1, I think. Less than 1. Just make a change here, then it will be less than 1. Okay, it should be less than 1. Yeah, yeah, got it. Very good. Yeah, that's correct. It should be less than 1. It's slightly less than 1. Okay, I thought it's greater than 1. Okay, just make that change, guys. Okay, okay, yeah, that's correct. That's correct. S was less than 1. Now, guys, see here, what is the thing is, if you look into this one, see, if somebody says, see, guys, if somebody says, let's suppose limit x tending to 0, okay, cos 1 by x, what will be this value, you know? This value does not exist. We say that limit does not exist. Limit does not exist. Why we say that? There's a reason behind it. Why we say that is because this is actually a fluctuating value. If you look at this graph now, it is actually fluctuating. So we say that limit does not exist because this is called as oscillatory discontinuity. Oscillatory discontinuity. Okay, so that's why this is called as limit does not exist. Now, guys, let's suppose if I have got limit x tending to 0, x into cos 1 by x. Now what will happen? Now what will happen, guys? Tell me. Will the limit exist? Yes, because this is oscillating between -1 to 1, but this is tending towards 0 now. So what is 0 into something which is -1 to 1? That will obviously be equal to 0 approximately, right? Yes. Understood, guys? And still, if that thing is, let's suppose, 1 by x, cos 1 by x, then what will happen? Yes, yes, very soon I'm planning that. Mathematical reasoning one shot. Yes, yes, here also I'll do it. and also on the plus on the app. Don't worry about that. This also will be, guys, 1 by tending to 0, which is infinity, and into minus 1 to 1, right? So again this will be not defined, guys. Again this will be what, guys? Minus 1 to 1. This will be what? Not defined, right? Again not defined. So this will be not existing. So not exist here, not exist here, but here it will exist. Moreover, guys, if the number is more than 1, the power is more than 1 also. Let's suppose x square or x cube or x power 5, whatever you keep, it will make it 0 now. Yes. So that's the reason, guys, for it to be continuous, your alpha, the power of x, alpha should be what? More than 0. Then only this will be possible. Set theory. I'll show you how to solve all that. I'll show you how to solve all that. Okay, don't worry. I'll give you the tricks and we'll do many questions on that. One shot we will cover up. Don't worry. Okay, guys. So now we need to find out the greatest. This is what box of this thing is what greatest integer less than or equal to. Then the number of points in which the function is discontinuous. Come on, guys. Okay, everyone, please change that in that question. It is less than 1. Okay, I just didn't see that. So this is less than 1. It was a misprint. Okay, and some trouble was also there, so I got was not able to see that, right? Chalo. Great. Let's see this question now. 2x cube minus 6. Come on, everyone. Let's see how many of you can do this one. Very good question. Box of 2x cube minus 6. Then box 6 is greatest integer less than or equal to x. Then the number of points in 1, 2 means x is going from 1 to 2. Okay. I'm giving you the hint. X is going from 1 to 2. So how many points will this be discontinuous? Acha, guys, if somebody says box of x, at how many points this function is y equal to box x is discontinuous? At what point will this be discontinuous? You will say, sir, integers. What will be your answer? Sir, integers, isn't it? So box of something, box of anything will be discontinuous when this anything is what? When this anything is integer, right? It applies for all, right? Yes. So guys, if you just look at this inside part, let's do some research on this inside part. Okay. So the thing is, if x is between 2 and 1, can I say x cube will be between 8 and 1? Right? What about 2x cube? Can I say 2x cube will be between? No, Bindas, just check your answer once. 16 and 2, right? Then subtract minus 6. So 2x cube minus 6 will be between 10 and minus 4, right? Hello, everyone. Basic inequality. Your 2x cube minus 6 is less than 10 but greater than minus 4. At how many instances will this be an integer, guys? How many times will this be an integer in between? Tell me. At which points will it be integer? I can see here this can be what, guys? When that thing is what, guys? That becomes minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. But Bindas, we are not discussing x now. We are discussing 2x cube minus 6. That can be these values or not. 2x cube minus 6 can be this or not. X तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. X can be in decimal also, can be an irrational number also. We are not worried about x. We want 2x cube minus 6 to be an integer. Can I say it will be integer as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 points, guys. 13 points. Got it? So very frequently this kind of questions have been asked in the past. Okay, so you have to calculate this 2x cube minus 6 and see where it is and how it is behaving. Okay, this is also a very good question. Let's see how many of you can do this. I think so many of you will get the answer, but some of you will not get it in detail. Answer aa jayega, but guys, the concept over here is very, very important. We'll go through that, don't worry. Come on. Acha, I would like to get one answer from you guys. Many of you might get the answer, okay? Many of you might get the answer, but I want one thing from you guys. Just tell me the answer. Everyone would have given the answer, right? Answer to bahut log de doge. Jaldi se quickly give me the answer. Okay, many are saying B. Fantastic. Now tell me what is LHL. What is LHL? Everyone got the answer. Great. LHL batao jaldi se. Tell me what is LHL. This is a good question, very conceptual. That's why I'm asking you this. Tell me, guys, what is LHL? Shivani is saying A1. Bindas Badshah is saying -1. Okay, one guy is saying 1. One guy is saying -1. Aur batao. What about you, Geeta? What about you, Geeta? Tell me. Geeta, you also give the answer. Oh, fantastic. Shivani is correct. Very good, Shivani. Sign 1 is correct. Very good. Geeta, check it once. Let's see. See, guys, this is not that easy as it looks. Kya tha? F of x is equal to sin box x upon box x, right? Ye kab hai? When is this condition? When box x not equal to 0. When box x is not equal to 0. And it is what, guys? It is 0 when, and this function is what? 0 when box x is equal to 0. We are not considered about that. ठीक है guys? अच्छा, हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन से समझ में आ गया guys. We can easily understand कि we have to check the limit at what? The limit at which point? 0, right? X equal to 0 पे check करना है, right? It's pretty obvious. Now from the options we have to check at what? At x equal to 0, guys. So let's calculate limit x tending to 0. Okay. So for that, guys, we need what? LHL and RHL both. Okay. So let's calculate LHL. It will be limit x tending to 0 minus. अब function क्या पकड़ना है? Very, very important. What is the function? Function क्या होगा, guys? When x is, when we'll do the rough work here. When x is tending to 0 minus, what is your function? Function will be decided from box x, not x. So guys, what is box of 0 minus? That is box of minus 0.00001. Tell me, what is box of minus 0.001? Badshah, Geeta, it is -1, isn't it? Yes. So guys, what will be the function? Tell me. Box x जब 0 है, when box x is 0, we have function as this. And when box x is not equal to 0, we have the function. So box x is not equal to 0 here for this. So we'll go for the upper part. That's why the function will be sine of box x upon box x, right? Acha. And for RHL, we'll be having, guys, limit extending to 0 plus. A box of 0 plus is what? Box of 0 plus is what, my dear students? Box of 0.00001. That is exactly 0. The function itself is 0. Yes. Understood, guys? So the RHL is 0. अब LHL ये है. What is it, guys? LHL? LHL is, guys, I'll write it here only. What is LHL, guys? We've already got it. Box of x is what? When x is tending to 0 minus 1. It's not 0 by 0 form. It's not 0 by 0 form. We can put directly. So put it, we'll get what? Sine of minus 1 divided by minus 1. Sine of minus theta is minus theta. It will be coming as sine 1. Everyone understood? Yes. So LHL is sine 1, RHL is 0. That's why in advance they take this kind of questions a lot for more than one. है ना, एक ऑप्शन में डिसकंटिन्यूस हो जाएगा, एक ऑप्शन में they will give you LHL as sine 1, so you have to tick both. Understood? But at the moment you will tick only discontinuous. Many of them will get the answer, but guys, ये वाला strike हुआ, everyone got it. Geeta, Bindas Badshah, Shivani, everyone, why this is sine 1 and how it is discontinuous? Great. Yeah, up next. Come on, guys. Okay. That's great. Chalo. Come on, everyone. Jaldi se, tell me quickly. Signum. SGN means signum function. I hope everyone understands. Very good, Bindas. Fantastic. See, guys, first see the signum. Okay. Signum of x graph is how? Can I see the signum of x graph is like this? Everyone knows? Signum x, yes, signum x is discontinuous at what, guys? Signum x is discontinuous when x is 0, right? जैसे box of x discontinuous कब हो रहा था? At integers. You can see here signum x graph is like this. Everyone knows ना? Signum of x का graph is like this. It is equal to 1 for x greater than 0. It is equal to what? 0 for x equal to 0. And it is equal to minus 1 for x less than 0, right? Okay. So now what we can see here, that this is signum of x is discontinuous at x equals to 0. So guys, what is this SGN of what? When you compose it, f of g of x, we'll get what? F of g of x, guys, everyone knows now. This is a very simple thing. ये हो जाएगा signum of, in place of x we'll keep the whole thing, right? We will keep x into x square minus 5x plus 6, right, Shivani, Geeta? Okay, so this will be discontinuous when signum of something will be discontinuous when this something becomes 0, right? So we'll equate x square minus 5x plus 6 as 0. We'll get what? X into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. That means that x equals to 0 to 3. This function is discontinuous at exactly 3 points. Got it, everyone? Very nice with us. Next. One by x square, then f dash is differentiable, f is continuous. F is not continuous, F is differentiable. So very, very important. This kind of questions they are asking a lot in JEE nowadays. Come on guys, simple one. Also, I'll give you one very important concept, guys. F dash is differentiable. Okay. Yes. So that's what, guys, you have to understand. Okay. See, Bindas, you did a very good job. Okay. See, guys, when somebody says ki yaar, check the continuity of F dash. Okay. So what will happen? See, we will discuss first. First, guys, see, when the function is discontinuous, function is discontinuous. Guys, at some x, at x equal to a, it will be at x equal to a, it will be different, non-differentiable also, na? We will not check the differentiability, guys. Yes, that's correct. First check the continuity. पहले continuity check करो. So guys, if you take a look at the limit x tending to 0 minus f of x, that is 1, and limit x tending to 0 plus x square, which is 0, right? है ना? तो 1 not equal to 0, so continuity ही नहीं है. There is no continuity. So this is the answer. Differentiability, many people go. So guys, अगर ये continuous हो जाता by chance, let's suppose if this was continuous, let's suppose, I'm just saying, मान लो हो जाता है नहीं, the game is over in the first step itself, maybe it's continuous, ठीक है, उसके बाद का scenario बताऊं, then you will do what? You will do f dash of x. तो इसका differentiate कर दो, upper part you will differentiate, what we will get, guys? We will get 0 and this will be 2x. Right now you will see here, ये continuous हो जाएगा, right? This will become, if you check the continuity here, then it will be simply, that's what the game was like this. They always try to do, हाँ 0 ही आता है, right? So they play it very smartly. They play it very smartly. If you calculate here the left hand limit, LHL of f dash is equal to RHL of f dash. That those both are 0. Yes. So that does not mean that it is differentiable, right? Okay, guys. Clear? Chalo. Next. है ना, ये लोग जानबूझ के देते हैं ऐसा, that somebody will say, oh ये भी 0 it's coming, so let's take it. No, it's not that difficult, easy. Okay, उसके बाद एक और बार differentiate करोगे तो वो भी 0 ही आने लगेगा, right? That will again come as 0 and 0, so it will be again very, very difficult for us. We should not fall in the trap like this. Next. Come on, everyone. Let's see how many of you can do this. Very good, Shivani. Very good, Bindas. Very good, guys. See, first of all, it will be continuous, right? Continuity check करेंगे by putting pi by 6. Right. So what we will get? First of all, when you continuity, if you take the continuity, so we'll get what? Sine. I think this is a previous year question. Yes. Sine 2 pi by 6 right here. And then, guys, if you look into this one, RHL, it will be what? A into pi by 6 plus B. तो ये तो हो गया किससे, दिस इज साइन पाई बाई 3, so that we will get a pi by 6 plus b equals to root 3 by 2, है ना, पहला वाला. Now guys, next is what, it is differentiable as well, right? They have told it, and the function is continuous and f dash is also continuous. That means it's not exactly correct to say it is differentiable. F dash is continuous means different. F dash का functional value is also equal. Are you getting the point? देखो एक difference होता है. What is? I'll just tell you that. See, f is differentiable is not equal to f dash is continuous. Are you getting my point? क्योंकि इसके लिए क्या होता है, f dash left equal to f dash right. बस यही चाहिए, right? Differentiability के लिए just we check LHD, that is called as what, LHD equal to RHD. Are you getting my point? पर इसके लिए क्या होता है guys, f dash left equal to f dash right also should be equal to f dash of A. Everyone understood the difference? Continuity आ गया, that means the point is also involved now. The functional value is also involved. So sometimes in advanced questions, they play with this also. Okay? There's a difference between both of them. F is differentiable and f dash is continuous. Got it everyone? है ना? Differentiability के लिए सिर्फ only one condition, LHD equal to RHD. But here for continuity, f dash की continuity की बात हो रही है, right? So we'll calculate f dash left, f dash right, and that should be equal to f dash of A as well. Everyone understood? So बस इसमें तो बस differentiate, we have to do differentiation, right? So differentiation will be what? F dash of x will be what? Tell me. It will be 2 cos 2x, and it will be what? A. I think so. Differentiation of that part will be A. So here we will get, I think so, directly, right? Pi by 6 के लिए है, right? We will get what? 2 cos 2 pi by 6 will be equal to A. So we'll get what? A will be equal to, you can easily get it from here. है ना, कितना आ जाएगा guys? We'll get 2 cos pi by 3, right? That is equals to A. So 2 into half. I think so. A will come as 1. है ना? A will come as 1 directly. If you should put it over here, you'll get B is equals to root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6. ठीक है? चलो. Now this is also 1 question. Let's see how many of you can do it. First is continuous and derivable at x equals to 0. Neither continuous nor derivable at x equals to 0. Then we have continuous but not derivable. Continuous but not derivable at. Come on. See guys, always there is an issue between at 0, है ना? So always try to understand that. यार दिक्कत हो रही है कहाँ पे? 0 पे, right? Other places it's pretty smooth. So guys, I don't think so that this option can be correct. This is obviously wrong. क्योंकि ये बोल रहा है कि continuous तो है ही साफ साफ, right? It is continuous at 1, right? Because the graph will be smooth and differentiable will be also there, right? So there is no doubt that this part is wrong. You can obviously guess like that. Let's suppose somebody says here log x, is it continuous at x equals to 10? Obviously, दिक्कत कहाँ पे आती है? At 0, rest places it is fine. See guys, there is no issue, I think so, in continuity. There is no issue at all in continuity, right? For continuity, we need to calculate what? Limit x tending to 0. Okay. So we'll have what? F of x, that is sine x square by x. है ना? You have to calculate this and that should come as 0. अगर वो 0 आ गया, so it is job done. Right? So into what? L hospital लगाने की क्या जरूरत है? X square से multiply करके x से multiply कर दो ना. Why to do L hospital? Easy. This will be 1 guys. Sine something by something. 1. It's only left with x. So can I put x directly? Yes, 0. That LHL is now coming equal to RHL, right? So it is continuous. Okay, so that means it is continuous. Always guys, I would recommend whenever you are solving problems on derivative, na, LHD, RHD, so use this basic fundamental. What is that guys? LHD is what? Limit x tending to a f of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. Always go by this method. This will be working. ठीक है ना? For complicated functions like these, इसमें differentiation and all you do, you will be stuck, and that might give you sometimes erroneous answers as well. है ना? So always when we have some complicated functions, जिसका differentiation थोड़ा सा complicated है, u by v form, x square is involved, box x, mod x, right? So we have to go by this method, limit extending to a. RHD will be f of a plus h minus f of a by h. Okay. Very good, Shivani. So guys, a is what? Tell me 0 है ना? So let's calculate LHD. LHD will calculate, this will be what? Limit extending to 0 minus f of a minus h. Okay, so ये 0 ही रहने दो, right? No issues. H tending to 0, right? मैंने किया था. Did I do it h0? Oh, sorry. Yeah. We can put here x tending to a means h tending to 0, right? We can write here x tending to a means h tending to 0. The difference is very small. U by v na bindas. U by v sin x square upon x. So you can put it here h tending to, see, बहुत आसानी से हो जाएगा. It's not that difficult also. So guys, see here, LHD RHD will be same only, I think so, in this case, right? If you talk about the LHD RHD, functions are same, right? Let's calculate also. Let's see whether we can do with it or not. So guys, if you look into this part, we can obviously put h tending to 0, f of, that is what? Sine of minus h ka whole square, है ना, divided by what? Minus f of 0, right? Upon minus h. Are you guys getting the point? Are you guys getting the point, everyone? This is what we will get, right? And divided, this h was also there, right? X था ना, तो x की जगह पे we'll have what? Minus h, and whole divided by minus h. Are you getting the point, everyone? Just see here very carefully. This was what? My f of 0 minus h. ये क्या था? F of 0 minus h. This is what, guys? Please pay attention. This is f of 0 minus h. है ना? And this is f of 0 upon minus h. So what are we getting, guys? If you do it, what will you get? Sine h square divided by h square. This is coming as 1. Are you getting it? This is the LHD. Okay, left hand derivative is 1. And what about right hand derivative? RHD. We'll have limit h tending to 0, f of 0 plus h. That will be what? Sine h square upon h minus 0 upon minus upon h, right, everyone? What are we getting? Same ही तो आ रहा है. Aren't we getting sine h square upon h square? That is also 1. So that's why I told you this is easier also. Isn't this easy, Vindas? Yes, this will be easier than differentiating the function. And then I told you that is not applicable for all kinds of function. कि differentiate कर दिया, इसका निकाल लिया, उसका भी निकाल लिया, right? That is not always workable. That only works when the function is purely continuous. Okay, correct answer will be continuous as well as derivable. Okay, so here we have, guys, sine, one second, this is sine box x. Okay, make a change here. One second, guys, this is 4 box x. Okay, not that x is not there. 4 box x. Come on, everyone watching, guys, please do hit a like, right? That will be great for our team, है ना? So today, guys, we'll obviously, this is the last problem, है ना? So today this is the last one. From next class onwards, guys, obviously the classes would be of approximately 1.5 hours. It'll go till 5:30 to 7. Okay, that's the basic timing. Today we will be wrapping up a little bit earlier. Okay, Udbhav, already I'm taking the classes in Mathemagicians channel. Okay, there everything is taught from the foundation. Okay, we did obviously basic maths. Now we are in quadratic equations. So better you can follow that channel, Unacademy Mathemagicians. There I am teaching, because this Here also next year will come. Don't worry. And I will teach. I teach everything from the basics. Don't worry about that. From the 10th grade onwards. Mathemagicians, Unacademy Mathemagicians. Search Unacademy Mathemagicians, and you will get it. You will get my videos over there. You can go and have a look at basic maths. Unacademy डालना, उसके बाद डालना Mathemagicians. Okay. Come on, guys. Think about this one. Come on, guys. Anyone? See, guys, this was a tricky problem. That's this kind of tricks they play a lot. You don't really have to solve the problem also. See, guys, please concentrate on the function. See, guys. हाँ पूरा लिखना मैथमेटिशियंस में सिर्फ नहीं आएगा. That's why I'm saying Unacademy Mathemagicians. Yes. See, guys, box x is integer, right? है ना? Box x is what, guys? It's an integer. Okay. So, guys, if you look into this one carefully, box x to integer hai, that's agreed. Just calculate. Just see the numerator. What is the numerator, guys? Can I say sine 4 box x? Was that the numerator? Huh. Is it a numerator, guys? Okay. So, guys, can I say sine 4 times of integer? Sine 4n. Right? Sine 4 times of integer, right? 4n pi, right? One second, guys. Here, there's also one pi. Okay, that's why that was missing. Okay, that was not x, that was pi. My mistake. And guys, please concentrate. Okay, that is sine 4 box x pi. Okay. Now, guys, if you look into this one, what is 4 pi? Can I say 4n pi? Right, everyone? This is what? 4n pi. Okay, guys. So 4n pi. What will happen, guys? Sine 4n pi. That's not my channel. That's Unacademy channel only. Okay. So, guys, sine x is, can I say, guys? Sine x, if you look into this one, the graph is how, guys? The graph goes like this, like this, like this, right? Isn't it? Can I say it is always 0 at integral points? 0, 0, 0, 0, right? That was the trick about it, guys. I'll just show you. I think so. This was also having some mistyping. Okay. So, guys, can I say the function itself is 0? The function itself is 0. Are sine n pi 0 numerator? What open? I cannot open here. Okay. You can search Unacademy Mathemagicians, na YouTube pay directly. You will get it. Don't worry. So, guys, the whole, it is nothing but 1 by box x square, right? Because that's an integer. So, the function itself is constant. It's a constant function, guys. है ना? So, can I say constant function is always 0? Yes. So, guys, actually the function is not differentiable. This is wrong. F of x exists, but different from 0. No, f of x exists, but it is equal to 0. This is also wrong. And LHD is what, guys? LHD is 0 at x equals 0. RHD at x equal to 1. So, let's leave that. F dash of x, see, guys, f of x is 0. Can I say f dash of x be 0 hi aayega? Yes. So it is f. What is they are saying? F dash of 0 is 0, but f of x is not a constant. Sorry, it's a constant. Correct answer is only C. That is left. So everything will be 0. LHD, RHD, LHL, RHL, everything will be 0, na Geeta? They are saying f of x is not a constant. Not is there. It is a constant. So बचा हुआ कौन सा ऑप्शन है? यही C. Everything will be what, guys? Zero, na? LHD, RHD, LHL, RHL. Got it? Chalo, guys. So that is what I have for today. Please note this one as your homework, and we will meet in the next class, guys. And please make a note of this one, and then we will meet in the next class. Okay? So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will have one lecture on differentiation. It will be very, very important. यहाँ के description में I think so it's a little bit difficult. Okay, you can search यार Abhinav Jha mathematicians, you can put है ना, you can search my name Abhinav Jha Unacademy mathematicians, you will get my lectures. Okay guys, so that is what we have for today. Please try to comment this in the video. Okay, I'll be taking care of that. Also guys, you can see here that you all have to install the amazing app on the platform. Okay, so guys, please install it, and then guys go to the IDJ section, then click on get subscription. From there you can click on plus, and then guys AJ live code you have to use. Okay, you can use the code AJ live for taking the plus subscription. Now AJ live for everything, like you are registering to combat, if you are registering to plus class, free classes, on special, everywhere you will require a code. So this is what you have to share. Bindas, I'm preparing it. I'll definitely share it very soon. Okay, I'm preparing it. Okay, next class will be on differentiation. I'll just, because it was Christmas Eve and all, so obviously got a little bit stuck up. I was planning the schedule. I'll be definitely making a community page on that. ठीक है ना, आपको community page पे updates भी आ जाएगा. I'll be also sharing in the Telegram channel. So please be updated. Everything will be there. Okay. So guys, obviously you know that in the iconic subscription you'll be also getting these amazing opportunities of workshops, guidelines, study planner, test analysis, and everything. Okay, yes, a very Merry Christmas to all of you guys, and obviously a very, very happy New Year in advance. Okay, guys. तो आप लोगों को न्यू ईयर सगा ये जो जूनियर्स है गाइस, दे आर गेटिंग अ वंडरफुल गिफ्ट. द मंजिल बैच इज स्टार्टिंग. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन जॉइन हियर. Okay guys, whoever is planning, can tell your juniors as well. Also Spark and MCQ batches have been launched. You can use the code Abhinav SC also for plus subscription. Guys, tomorrow on the app, don't miss out one amazing topic, definite integrals questions guys. It will be a marathon quiz on definite integrals guys. That's going to be great. So all of you are invited for definite integration, and please guys be there at 8 p.m. tomorrow on the app. Free class guys for all of you. Arey, combat mein there are around 2000 to 3000 students who can come, and you can win a lot of prizes, I'll tell you that. Okay guys, also JEE English 21, 22 batches are running on this platform. Almost the series, I've finished the syllabus and all. Okay guys, so well before time we finished it. And obviously guys, don't worry, we'll be coming up with a lot of one shots in this month of January, and we'll be wrapping up everything, whatever was left out, everything will be done, like small topics like statistics, mathematical reasoning, miscellaneous. Also I'll try to sneak in one session. So this is the timing on mathematicians guys. You can come here and learn from me in Hindi, है ना? So that will be great. Moreover guys, complete course on integral calculus starting 25th of November on Unacademy Plus. This course has already been launched. Okay. MR playlist. I didn't get your point, Bindas. Yeah, Unacademy Combat guys. It is obviously the most gamified battle in currently. You can win lots of rewards and prizes. नहीं अभी नहीं कराया है. Mathematical reasoning hasn't been taught here. Okay, neither on the app. That will be first time I'll be coming up with one shot. 3 hours, or sorry, 2 hours of class is more than sufficient. 1 hour for your practice. I'll leave out some questions. बहुत है for gaining those four marks. I'll come up with all the different types of questions possible, and don't worry guys, that will be done very soon. AJ live करके use, you can enroll right now. 25th November. No, I didn't take any class on 25th November on reasoning. No, it will come. It will come in the January. I'll take na one shots beach, which may be on Sundays we can plan, or the weekends we can plan on Saturdays, like that. बिल्कुल everything will be coming. Everything. Don't worry. Okay guys, so please stay tuned to this amazing revision series. And obviously guys, this is the other courses which I'll be coming up. Next course will be what? No, that is integral calculus, Bindas. वो कोर्स लॉन्च हुआ था 25 नवंबर को. माय कोर्स वाज लॉन्च्ड. ये इंटीग्रल कैलकुलस का जो प्लस पे चल रहा है, दैट वाज ऑन दैट. Okay guys. Okay, algebra. Okay, algebra का course is coming up guys, है ना. In this I'll cover up everything, PNC, है ना, sequences and series, binomial theorem, probability, complex numbers, quadratic equations. It's going to be a wonderful, wonderful bonanza for all of you, है ना. So guys, please stay tuned, and if you want, you can join the plus. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, guys. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Ask them also to join this amazing series of revision. AJ Live is the code, guys. Thanks a lot for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.